Imagine your bank transactions broadcast on a giant digital billboard. That is traditional DeFi. Everyone can see what you're doing. Shade Protocol restores privacy to your financial life. It's the super app for private DeFi. So let's talk on a high level about how that works on Shade. We'll do another video that's more technical and link that in the description if you want a deep dive. You've heard of smart contracts. They are a bit like a vending machine that actually works and gives you what you're looking for. But you and the vending machine agree that if you meet the conditions by putting in enough money, then the machine will output the snack that you've selected. Smart contracts like this are the building blocks for Web3. It's the reason everyone talks about Web3 with words like permissionless, trustless, decentralization, no middleman, all that language. Those are big themes. The only problem is what we mentioned earlier with that billboard. These smart contracts broadcast all data to everyone, everywhere. Like a weird friend that every time you share a secret with them, they immediately scream it out, tweet it, make a YouTube video, and publish it for the whole world. Secret contracts, though, are very different, and these are the engine for Shade. Secret contracts are building blocks just like smart contracts, but with a major improvement. All of the data associated with that contract can be customized. On Secret, app users have unprecedented control over their data, and app builders have the same ability. Technically, someone building on Secret could build a fully transparent app on the chain that broadcasts everything. But of course, that is not what people come to build on Secret. That's not taking advantage of the tech. What's novel with these secret contracts is the ability to layer permissions. Some people can see some things when certain conditions are met, but not everyone sees everything like a typical chain. That sounds pretty smart, right? We think smart contracts with privacy are smarter than smart contracts with no capacity for confidential data. Specifically on Shade, all of this has been dialed up to the maximum for user empowerment. For example, when you bridge in assets, they are automatically wrapped with privacy. Something like staked ETH automatically becomes a private version of itself for you to interact with. When you interact with a smart contract on Shade, the only data people can see is what contract you interacted with and what your gas spend was, which is denominated in SCRT, the secret network token. How about all your data? Where does all that go? Your balances, history, transactions? Well, currently, at the time of producing this video, the answer is viewing keys, where only you can access the decrypted information. And you can share a viewing key with anyone who you want to see your history, balances, contract interactions, just like you could share a house key with someone. But very soon, possibly by the time you are watching this video, Shade has one-click privacy enabled. No more viewing keys, just one click to make all of the magic of privacy happen. We all understand that someone shouldn't be giving out copies of their house key on the street. You don't give access to your private life to everyone universally, but somehow that is what traditional DeFi is doing, as we offer unrestricted access, unrestricted visibility into our financial life. And people are being hurt by it. People are being hurt in ways that are obvious, and they're being hurt in ways that they're unaware of that are more underneath the surface. At Shade Protocol, we think this is messed up. It's unsustainable, it's not what crypto should be, and it's not what it will be. Because mature finance should always have a place for your confidential data. It should honor your control over that data. And that's what Shade does through secret contracts. Now you understand the basics of how that works. And if you want to learn more about the inner workings of Shade Protocol's privacy engine on a technical level, check out the next video that we'll link in the description for a deep dive on that technical side.